guys, and welcome back to the Ghallis. Woo-wee!
Hello everyone, welcome to the Ghallis.
Welcome our precious hearts.
Before we start, please like, comment,
subscribe, share this video with anyone and everyone.
hit the bell to be notified, and please
recommend our channel.
Yes, and always join our movie. I will ask you to always watch our videos, enjoy it, and enjoy the food we eat. It's delicious all the time. And always welcome to the Ghallis.
Yes.
And our precious heart community.
Exactly.
Today we are.
Sorry, I'm picking already.
Yeah, today we are having some nice, delicious food as usual.
Baked chicken.
Yeah, homemade by wifey. Baked chicken and jalapenos, salad, green beans with garlic, hummus, tahini sauce,
and a little bit of
squash
that we had left over.
Yes, so we're hungry. We'll start to dig in.
And then I put it on pita bread. Just, do you like my presentation, guys? I put like the little dill and stuff on there.
Yeah, so she's like all about presentation.
Fancy, y'all.
Fancy. And yeah, we didn't increase our subscribers, but we're doing good. Our channel is going. I mean, it's a steady base. It's not slow no more, but it's steady base. I'm trying to. We were thinking about rush to get to the 1,000, but like rushing it to it, you
get a lot of fake friends. And this is what I've come to find out.
What?
A lot of fake friends when you rush and get...
Yes.
I don't understand it. I don't like it. How people come to your channel and say, oh, help me, I'll support. You support back. And then when you support, they get off your channel.
I mean, we're not saying anything bad against anyone. We're just talking about people who...
Well, we don't know who did it, but I'm just saying,
right.
I don't understand.
Right, and when we subscribe for real. Like, we do subscribe.
We watch y'all's videos, we comment, like...
Yeah.
We're true friends. I don't like anything like that.
That is what it is,
Like... Like my girl Shadia, true friend. That girl watches your video. She comments. Perfect Queen 33 also. Like, I love those women. They're like true.
No, wait, Hamti. But also there's new people now. They are watching. Commenting.
No. I'm talking about like my experience in the past.
Oh. This, no.
I'm gonna try those. What were you gonna say?
So, we will not name people who's been with us for a long time. So, there's actual people with us for a while.
They're the exception.
More than one. So, yes, one of them, Perfect Queen. One of them, Shadia.
Eating with Shadia, Perfect Queen 33. That's family, y'all. That, don't mess with them.
Peggy Luna. Nermeen, Laura Duran, Vanessa Brown also. Susan Watkins, yeah. Sabrindi.
Ooh, I'm done. I hit my wall.
Who else? There's people always we know that they are watching. The Landsworth family.
Longsworth, what up, homies?
So I'm not saying that. We're talking about people recently.
The newest people.
Yeah. Who, again.
Not all y'all. I'm just saying, like, out of, like,
You gonna pause this for a minute?
No.
Because, yeah.
Go ahead.
Sorry.
I need tissue.
She's not feeling well. Yep.
I haven't been feeling all day.
I know. Sorry, guys. So anyway, so yeah, please don't misunderstand us or what we're talking about. Yeah. People come in, say hi, join. Either they turn off the notification bell, you might stay in. Turn off the notification bell, so you will never be notified when we post a video. Or you just leave. So,
So sorry, y'all.
that's what my wife was talking about. No. Like, no one had forced you from the beginning to come over. You are welcome to come. Or,
and then you ask, like, oh, okay, like, let's connect and let's, you know, be friends and everything. And then we're like, okay, cool, yeah, like, I check out your videos. Yeah, that's cool. Because I don't just subscribe to anyone, like, you know. And then, so I'm like, oh, okay, cool, yeah, I like their videos. Let me subscribe. You know, let's help each other grow. And then, like, we were at what,
325, I think.
325. Now we're down to 319. Like,
6 people.
6 people took their subscription and ran. And it's like, why? Like, I told you from the beginning, like, I'm a true supporter. If you support me, I'm gonna support you back. Like Shadia, she supports me, I support her back. Perfect Queen 33. That's how we got together. That's how we became sisters. You know, and it's not like, oh, YouTube sisters. No, I feel like they're truly my sisters. You know, like we're blood related. That's how close we've become. You know, talking, chatting, helping each other out. You know, there's nothing wrong with trying to have your channel grow. I mean, that's what we're all here for. But it doesn't make sense to me why people do it by default, or you do it like out of the kindness of your heart, and then you get stabbed. Like, oh, okay, well, they subscribe. Let me duck out and run. You know, no. We're true subscribers here. We don't do that. So if you want a true friend, a friend for life, honestly, come over, subscribe.
We do not go also subscribe for your channel before
we view it.
Yeah.
We have to view it. We have to see the content, because
we will support you.
Yeah.
So if we are not interested on what you're showing or what you're posting, we will not join. I'm sorry. Why? Because I don't know. Each one has his own preference. So, because when we like to support continuously.
Yes.
That's why we don't just join. We choose what we join to.
And we choose to be selective because we limit our entertainment, what we watch, as far as like morality, you know, and if there's gonna be like a lot of cussing or like just shenanigans, like I'm not gonna do it.
It's more on the like our moral standards.
Everyone chooses to do their own thing. We understand that. But if you're a channel and you come to us and be like, hey, you know, let's connect. Okay, let's stay connected. Not just like connect and then peace, deuces, bye.
Anyway.
Because how are you going to help each other? How are you going to, you know, I don't know. Anyway, it's just my pet peeve. I'm sorry, I'm ranting. It's just my pet peeve. I just don't like that.
I just don't like it because we found out today, well, after these 300 subscribers, thank you for joining.
Yes.
It doesn't make no sense. Only 60% of 60 of the 300 have their bell only on. So that one was like, they don't like us, so why are here?
We turn our bell on, we leave it on. Like if we're like a channel, we subscribe to you. You better believe we're coming in and talking to y'all, and
not continuously, because I'm gonna be lying to you if we say continuously, because we are so busy. She's busy with her house stuff and her life. I'm busy with my work and.
Ask Eating with Shadia, our perfect queen. Like I told Shadia the other.
Plus, you talked about them too much.
Wait,
like.
I know, but Shadia the other day, I had to finally like go back in some of her comments and you know answer back, and I'm like, you know, I told her, I was like, oh, I finally got caught up on watching all your videos. Like I'm completely caught up because it'll take me a while.
Okay, but there are other people commenting continuously. So.
Yeah, no, I know, but I'm just saying, like.
Okay, you mentioned this time. I love you, Shadi. I love the perfect queen, but she mentioned your name too much. There's also other people commenting.
I wasn't saying that, babe. I was just saying what I had to do. Like, I finally got caught up. It'll take me a while.
Yes.
But I will get caught up with your videos, and I watch them from the very beginning all the way to the
same way that I was talking Armed American. I think what he was talking very good on his channel. Said like, do it the right way. Don't just get people and leave. Since they joined, also they keep commenting and commenting.
Oh yeah, I like them. Congratulations,
Thank
y'all.
you guys for joining. Thank you for helping us also.
Yeah.
Yeah, since they joined, they always commenting and.
I'm so excited for them. They're having their 6th baby boy.
Yeah.
They're all boys. I'm like, dude, you having a football team or what? Like, let's do this.
No, you have a half team.
A half team.
Yes.
Yeah. You have enough for a soccer field, a soccer team.
No, you have actually more than one because they are already 11. How many football team is?
Oh Lord.
Hey Siri.
Oh.
How many is the football team?
How many players are there?
Here are the standings for the NFL from last season.
Nope.
If you would like, you can also ask me about a specific team. The Patriots were in first place in the AFC East. The Chiefs led the AFC West. The Ravens were in first place in the AFC North.
Hi Siri.
The Texans led the AFC South.
Hey Siri.
Just push
the
her.
Eagles held first place in the
Stop. Hey Siri. How many players in a football team?
According to Wikipedia.org, in the sport of association football, each of the 11 players on a team is assigned to a particular position on the field of play.
See, have more than half.
It's okay. Only 5 more.
Wait, so the
Y'all are young. Y'all could do another 5.
Hey Siri, how many players on soccer and football teams?
Which league? Australia League, Korea K League.
Shut up.
I'm not going ham on this stuff.
Hey Siri,
I'm not even.
how many players in Cowboys football team?
There are 79 players on the Cowboys.
Oh.
You can also ask me about a specific player or position. What?
I'm lost. Hey Siri, how many players
Oh Lord.
in the football team?
Here are the standings for the NFL from last season.
Shut up. Halas. Thank you. Bye. I think there are 11 like the soccer. I think so. He's on the... Who gets on the field are 11. I believe so.
So yeah.
Anyway. Again, please do not misunderstand us. We're not here to talk wrong about anybody or talk smack about anybody. Thank you so much. We appreciate everyone's comment. We love these comments. We love your support.
Oh yeah.
Everything. All what we're saying is about the people who come, join, from the moment they join, you just want to add us as a number, and that's about it. They never come back, watch any new video, and that's it. I understand you want us as a number in your 1,000 subscribers. We care, we're okay with that, but also we are not okay with being ignored, because in the same time, when we personally go to your channel, when we choose to go to your channel and we support you, we actually support you. If you come to our channel, that's your own decision. I'm not required to go to your channel. But when we go, we support you. We subscribe for you. We keep the bell on. The same thing what I'm asking for is like when you come to my channel, if you choose to come to my channel,
just if you choose to show love, then do it
the right way. But coming back and watching this video, not just adding us, and that's about it.
Anyway, enough about that.
Yep. What else?
That's it. Just ranting.
They canceled the road, y'all.
Oh yeah.
Unfortunately, we can't go.
Well, I had canceled it before they canceled it.
Yeah, but they canceled completely.
I knew they would. That's
unfortunately, the Houston found out that there was a person who attended the the barbecue cook-off, who tested positive at the end recently.
Put that up.
On the 28th of February, this person, they found out recently that he tested positive. So they are hoping that he did not affect anybody. So
y'all be safe out there. Oh, we're gonna not talk about it no more because YouTube criteria, but
no, but we're not talking in general. We're just saying testing positive.
For what?
For you know.
For you know.
Yeah.
Put that away. Guys, I'm done. I've been picking. I've been using my hands. Yes, my hands are clean.
No, my hand's not clean.
Disgusting. It's okay, you're eating it. You're not touching nothing.
Man, today it's too hot. Okay, so I'm gonna have to reveal the day. It's Wednesday, March 11. It is 90 degrees. Are you kidding me? March 11 and 90 degrees the whole
Fahrenheit
day?
Fahrenheit here.
Like, why?
We're Fahrenheit. Some people are Celsius.
Yeah, Celsius. Yeah, it's how...
Fahrenheit.
Hey, Siri. What is 90?
Sorry if y'all Siri is going off at home.
Wait. Hey, Siri.
The number 93 is a great...
Hey Siri, what is 90 Fahrenheit in Celsius?
Celsius.
90 degrees Fahrenheit is 32.2 degrees Celsius.
32.2 in March? Are you kidding me? Why? That's a lot. Yeah, and plus that we're too much in humid, so it's
Well,
like...
it's spring, so yeah.
Babe.
I know that's summer weather.
Like 90 and humid in March? Wow. Anyway. Sorry, y'all.
I washed clothes and I put it outside. By the time I turned around to come in, they were dry. So.
Yeah, it's just so hot today. And it's still hot. It's 9 p.m. right now and it's...
yeah, I opened that...
It's like 80.
I opened that door and you could feel the heat rush in to the house. And the house is cool-ish because I use the oven.
Yep, and we turn off the AC so can be able to film in quietly.
Because if not, you would hear it all like blowing in your ear.
Yep. Man,
I'm done.
I'm done too. I ate too much.
Me too.
Oh yeah, by the time you see this video, will be the Happy Friday, Happy Saturday. We don't know yet, so
Happy day, happy.
what now?
Just a happy day.
Yeah.
Sunday, Monday.
It's a Friday, Happy Friday. If it's Saturday, Happy Saturday. I hope you have a good weekend for sure. Stay safe.
Jinx.
And I think we'll keep it short this time again. Yeah, ish.
Yeah, I'm not feeling too good, y'all.
Yeah, me too.
No, I don't have it. It's just my fibromyalgia.
What?
Because I said I don't feel good, and I said no, I don't have it.
Oh. You talk too much. Yeah, you have noticed that she talked too much these days.
Smack.
She took over my place. I used to talk too much. She's like,
You never talked much. You only ate. That's why Vanessa said I like the way she talks, and then you just eat.
Excuse me.
Hi Vanessa, how you doing?
I eat and talk.
No.
Okay. Anyway. Sorry.
He's been driving all day. I'm tired.
Anyway, awesome. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Whatever this day you're gonna be is. Are you done? Are you done?
Are you done?
Stop. Stop.
Just for you.
Oh my god. Anyway, let's close this video. Come on.
Okay, you stop. Okay, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video with anyone and everyone. Hit the bell to be notified.
Share and comment on the channel. And always welcome to the Ghalis. The Ghalis are out.
Bye. Look at us with greasy fingers. Ooh,